In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly connect your Google Calendar to Trello using Zapier, making sure your tasks and schedules are perfectly in sync without added headaches. Let's dive right into it and streamline your workflow. First, open your browser and head over to Zapier's homepage. If you're new to Zapier, you might want to take a moment to explore. It's a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps and automates tasks in just a few clicks. Now, once you're there, navigate to your dashboard by clicking on Home, which is at the top left corner of my screen. This is where all the magic happens. Next, find and click on the tab called Zaps. This is essentially where you can create workflows to connect apps, also known as Zaps. Then proceed to click Create, which you'll easily spot as a prominent button, ushering you into the Zap creation process. Here, click on New Zap to begin crafting your integration. Now we need to set up a trigger. Think of this as the event that puts everything in motion. You'll want to find and select Google Calendar from the available apps. Once you've chosen Google Calendar, click Trigger Event and select New Event as our cue to start the integration. This way, any new event you add to your calendar will trigger the next steps. Following that, it's essential to connect your Google Calendar by clicking on Connect Google Calendar. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Don't forget to allow Zapier the necessary permissions by clicking on Allow. This step ensures Zapier can access and manage your calendar events. After connecting, select the calendar you wish to integrate. It's usually listed under your Google account. Then click on your account to confirm your selection. For now, we can click on Skip Test. This step quickly bypasses verification, assuming you're confident everything's input correctly so we can move forward swiftly. The next step involves deciding what happens inside Trello when an event is added to your calendar. Start by clicking on Select the event for your Zap to run and choose Trello as the action app. Then you'll need to pick Create Card under Choose an Event. This choice will automatically generate a card on your Trello board each time an event is added to Google Calendar. Now, select the Trello board and list where these new cards will appear. After deciding on a location, input a name for the card by clicking on Name. Enter a meaningful title. It could be the event name or anything else helpful for your team or personal use. Once you've done that, click Test to ensure that your Zap works smoothly between Google Calendar and Trello. Finally, with everything checked and running as expected, click Continue. This takes you to the final stretch where you can now publish your Zap. Click Publish to officially launch your automation. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully linked Google Calendar events to Trello cards using Zapier. Now your scheduling and task management are as seamless as ever, freeing up more time for what truly matters. If this tutorial was helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more handy tech integrations. Thanks for watching.